Trying to find a video about a specific topic on TikTok? Hashtags can help you do that. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to search hashtags on TikTok. Now let's get started. To begin, open TikTok and tap the Discover icon at the bottom. Tap the search bar at the top and type in the hashtag you want to search for. Then select Hashtags. Tap the hashtag when it appears in the results. Here you'll see videos that use that hashtag in their caption, making it easy to check out videos about that topic. You can add hashtags to your favorites to make them easier to find later. You can also tap Join this hashtag to start creating your own TikTok video that will have this hashtag added to the caption automatically. That's all it takes to search hashtags on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.